Good morning children. Welcome back to our science class. In our last class, we saw about the adaptations of certain animals based on their behavior. What was the first thing which we saw? Yes, we saw hibernation, then estivation and then migration. Okay, in our today's class, we are going to learn about the adaptation of some animals for their protection. Let us see how they are adapting with the surroundings to protect themselves from the enemies. The first thing which we are going to see is camouflaging. Do you know what it is? I know that it is a new term for you. Just see this picture. Can you identify an insect in this? Can you identify an insect? Yes, there is a leaf insect in this. Yes, the color and shape of some animals like zebra, leaf insects, grasshoppers, etc. are in such a way that they merge with the surroundings. They adapt with the surroundings. This is called as camouflaging. This is called as camouflaging, and such animals are called as camouflaging animals. Camouflage means it will be very difficult or hard to see the animals in their surroundings. You have seen chameleon? What they will do? Yes, they will change the color of their body as per their surroundings so that animals will not be able to identify them. And one more animal I will tell you. Just see the picture. Yes, this is an Arctic fox. These Arctic foxes live in polar regions. What they will do, you know? They will have a brown skin during the summer season. But when the winter comes, they will develop white fur like this. They will develop white fur so that they can merge its surroundings, so that the enemies will not be able to identify them very easily. So you understood the first adaptation. Now the second one which we are going to see is some animals have shells and spines in them. See the picture? Yes, there is a tortoise and snail. What they are having? They are having hard shells. These hard shells protect the soft body of tortoises and snails. Now see the next picture. Yes, we have porcupines and hedgehogs. Porcupines and hedgehogs. What they are having? Did you see? They are having sharp spines. They are having sharp spines to protect themselves from the enemies. So understood about shells and spines. Now the third one is strong legs. Which all animals have strong legs? Can you tell me? Yes, deer, then giraffe, ostrich. You have seen these animals are having very strong legs. So with the strong legs, they can run very fast when they are in danger. They can run very fast when they are in danger. Now the fourth adaptation is poison. Some animals are having poisons in them. Did you see this picture? Yes, honeybee and wasp. Are you ready to go near a honeybee? No, it is danger to go near a honeybee because it will just give a sting. It is having a sting, and with that sting it will give you a bite, a pierce in your body. Yes, animals such as bees and wasp have stings. S-T-I-N-G-S. Stings. They use these stings to inject poison into the bodies of their enemies. So thus these animals are adapting themselves. 4 points we have discussed. What are they? Camouflaging. Then we have shells and spines. Then some animals have strong legs. Some have poison in them. Next we are going to see adaptations for food. Animals can be categorized into different types based upon their food habits or based upon their eating habits. The 5 different categories are herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, parasites and scavengers. First one, herbivores. I know that you have studied all these things in your lower classes. Can you just give examples of some herbivores? Yes, cows, buffaloes, deer, etc. are some herbivores. What is the specialty of these herbivores? Herbivores are animals that eat only plants and plant products, isn't it? Yes, herbivores are animals that eat plant and plant products. What is the specialty of their teeth? They have sharp front teeth for biting. They have sharp front teeth for biting and strong back teeth for chewing the food. So that is all about herbivores or herbivorous animals. Herbivores or herbivorous animals. The next category, that is carnivores. Carnivores or carnivorous animals. Give some example. Yes, definitely lion, tiger, all these are carnivorous animals. Why they are called carnivorous animals? Yes, these animals eat other animals. These animals eat other animals. They are called as carnivorous animals. Now, these carnivorous animals, they are having sharp tearing teeth. Sharp tearing teeth for hunting and tearing the flesh. For hunting and tearing the flesh of the animals which they are catching. That is a specialty or the special feature of carnivores. Next one, omnivores. What are omnivores? Omnivores are animals that used to eat both plants and animals. Give some example. Crow, then bear. All these are examples of omnivores. Human beings, they are also omnivores. Now the next one is parasites. Do you know what is a parasite? Yes, some animals like lice, bugs, etc. live on top of other animals, on the body of other animals. Such animals are called as parasites. Do you know what they are doing? They will suck the blood from the other animals. Some animals live inside the body also. You have heard about tapeworm, hookworm, etc. will be living inside the body. These animals live on the body. The animals which live on the body of other animals or inside the body of other animals are called as parasites. The animals which parasites get their food, they are called as host. H-O-S-T-S. Host. So you understood about parasites. So give some examples of parasites. Yes, bugs, lice, tapeworm, hookworm, etc. are some parasites. The next category is scavengers. What are scavengers? Yes, the animals that eat the flesh of dead animals. They are called as scavengers. Have you seen vultures? Yes, vultures, hyena, etc. are examples of scavengers. What these vultures are having? Very strong and sharp beak to tear the flesh. So you might have seen vultures, isn't it? Flying. Yes, these vultures are having strong and sharp teeth to tear the flesh. Now one more small topic I have to tell you, that is for your knowledge. Some animals will not be able to adjust with the surroundings all the time. So you know what may happen to those animals? If they are not able to adjust with the surroundings, they will not be existing. So just see this picture. Yes, this is a dodo. This is a dodo. But now in this earth, we can't see this bird. We can't see this bird. So that bird is an extinct species. That is extinct species. So the animals which are not existing on the earth now, such animals are called as extinct animals. They are called as extinct animals. Now see these two pictures. Yes, this is a Bengal tiger. This is a Bengal tiger and we have a red panda. You know children, because of the human activities, that is many forests are being destroyed, many big buildings are being built by destroying many natural habitat of the animals. So some animals are in the edge of being eliminated from the earth. They are called as endangered animals. Animals that are in danger of becoming extinct from the earth are called as endangered animals. So give some examples of endangered animals. Yes, red panda, Bengal tiger. So it is our duty to protect and conserve these species, these animals, or else in the coming years, these animals will not be there on the earth. So clear? You understood? So in our today's class, we saw adaptation for protection and adaptation for food. So by that, we are completing this lesson. Which lesson? Adaptations, how animals survive. So what is your activity? Take your textbook, read it thoroughly till page number 71 and get sign from your parent. You have to find the one-word questions from the textbook. We will meet in the next class with the textual exercises. Thank you.